Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out that every single job has been taken over by AI. Your boss? Replaced by an algorithm. Your barista? A robot arm with perfect latte art skills. Even YouTubers like me? Yep, replaced by an AI with way better jokes. So, what happens to us humans when we literally have nothing left to do? First, let's set the scene. For thousands of years, jobs defined human life. Farming, hunting, building, teaching, we've always worked to survive. But in this what-if world, AI doesn't just take some jobs. It takes all of them. Doctors, lawyers, drivers, teachers, pilots, even stand-up comedians. AI does it all, faster, cheaper, and without calling in sick. At first, this sounded amazing. No more Monday mornings. No more awkward Zoom calls. No more pretending to care about team-building exercises. Humanity just got an all-expenses-paid vacation. But here's the catch. If nobody works, how do we make money? Who pays rent, or buys groceries, or, let's be honest, keeps Netflix running? Option 1. We keep the old system. Bad idea. Without jobs, 99% of people would go broke instantly, while AI owners, the tiny group who control all the machines, will become super rich. It's like Monopoly, but the other player owns every property, and you're stuck landing on boardwalk every turn. Option 2. Society changes the rules. Governments step in and say, okay, AI makes all the stuff, so humans still get share. This could look like universal basic income. Free money for everyone. Not because they work, but simply because they exist. Basically, congratulations, you're human. Here's your paycheck. Sounds great, right? But free money doesn't solve everything. If your basic needs are covered, what do people actually do with their lives? No one needs to grind at a job anymore. Instead, the new career paths could be things like exploring hobbies full-time, streaming video games for fun, not profit, writing fanfiction that's only read by your cat, or maybe inventing completely new things that AI hasn't thought of yet. Here's where it gets weird. Humans might rediscover what it means to live without survival pressure. Instead of working to eat, we'd work only for meaning, creativity, and curiosity. But there's also a darker path. Without jobs, many people could lose their sense of purpose. Jobs aren't just about money. They give us identity. Imagine meeting someone new. One of the first questions is always, so what do you do? Without work, that question vanishes. Do we replace it with, so, what's your favorite hobby? Or which Netflix show are you currently binging? And here's the big reveal. The biggest challenge in this world isn't money or robots. It's us. Humans are wired to need goals, challenges, and community. If AI solves every problem, life could start to feel empty, like finishing a video game only to realize there's no next level. In the best-case scenario, humans use this freedom to build a golden age of art, science, exploration, and weird hobbies nobody's ever heard of. Imagine billions of people unleashed to learn instruments, explore space, paint, invent, or just finally finish that one book collecting dust on the shelf. In the worst-case scenario, we get lazy, disconnected, and let AI make all the decisions for us. At that point, we're not living in the future of humanity. We're living in the retirement home of humanity. So, what if AI really took every job? The answer isn't just about robots or money. It's about whether humans can reinvent themselves once survival is no longer the mission. The future could be paradise or just one very long, very boring weekend. What do you think? Would you love a world with no jobs, or would it drive you crazy? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And hey, if you enjoyed this little brain workout, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. After all, my job might be taken by AI any day now, so let's enjoy it while we can.